और जिस तरह माय लॉर्ड याया अफरीदी ने बड़ा पर्टिनेंट रेज किया, it is the voters' right that is the most important. It was for the Election Commission to have identified those political parties which had contested the elections as candidates of that political party. And then they should have distributed these seats in accordance with the proportional representation system. Now, it appears, you see, I mean, speaking for myself, and it's a bit surprising, that the Election Commission, rather than acting as a custodian of the rights of the people, it has assumed an adversarial position. So, it was not for the parties to have approached the Election Commission. It was a constitutional duty, whether aapki party ko milta ya PTI ko milta. And that is still the duty of the Election Commission.
I agree, sir.
अब सवाल ये है कि जब वो सीटें नहीं मिलेंगी, क्योंकि 2-3 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं और एसआईसी नहीं है अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, तो वो कहाँ जाएंगी? So the question really is the principle of proportional representation a higher principle and leaving the seats unrepresented a lower principle, या नहीं? आपके मुताबिक दोनों एक प्रिंसिपल है, फिर reconcile कैसे करते हैं?
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल में your lordships would have to find a mechanism about how to fill those seats. अगर
आपके ख्याल में क्या
आप बताएं ना।
मैं सिर्फ एक बात कह दूं।
आप प्लीज इसको प्लीज कंक्लूड करें, फिर अगले पे जाएंगे।
Sir,
I do with the unrepresented seats.
Sir, I think the answer lies in the words in accordance with law. Now, law to me here both would include statutory law as well as judicial directions by the court. This is a legal vacuum which your lordships are faced with.
फैसल साहब, आप इधर उधर जा रहे हैं. Simple question: if you're not a political party, where will the reserve seats go which are left outside the proportional representation? अगर बच जाती हैं, कहाँ जाएंगी? They will go, then your lordship will seek who are these independents.
लेकिन बात ये फिर एक बात यहाँ पर इसी क्वेश्चन में कि अगर 10 लोग आपको ज्वाइन नहीं करते इन्हीं लोगों में से, क्या उनके लिए कोई सीट फिर रह जाएगी जो प्रोपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन आप इंटरप्रेट कर रहे हैं?
There is an equitable doctrine called tracing. Tracing. That doctrine is that if someone is entitled, I mean, I'm using maybe an analogy here, is entitled to some funds or an asset, and that asset is shifting and becoming part of another asset or becoming part of a larger whole and so on. The equitable doctrine of tracing allows, as the name suggests, for that fund to be traced and located and identified and preserved. So it seems to me